Hi, my name is Aaron, and this is my submission for CS50W's Project 3, in which we had to design a front end for an email client. So firstly, we do have the option of sending an actual email. So if we fill out the recipient field here, subject field, and the body, click send email, we are directed to our sent mailbox where we can see the email that we just sent. And now there are three different mailboxes here. If we click on the inbox, we can see all of the emails that we have received. So emails that have not been read have a white background, and emails that have been read will have a gray background. We also, again, have our sent mailbox where we can see all of the emails that we have sent, and the archived mailbox where we can see any emails that we've archived. Currently, there are none in here. Now, if you'll notice, when you hover over the emails, they do highlight blue, which means we have the option of clicking on them and viewing the contents. So if we click on this first one, we're able to see the person who sent it to us, the subject, the timestamp, and as well as the text of the body. And now if we go back to the inbox, we can see that that email has now turned gray because it's been read. And now, as mentioned before, we do have the option of archiving an email. So if we click on this button, we are redirected back to the inbox. And as you can see now, we only have one email instead of two. And when we go to the archive inbox, that email is now there. But we can also, again, unarchive it. So if we click on it, we're redirected back to the inbox where we can see that email again. And now we also have the option of replying to emails. So if we click on this email and we click reply, the recipient field is automatically filled with the person that originally sent us the email, as well as the subject field and the body where we can see the previous text that they sent to us. So we, again, can reply to that and say, and if we click send email, we are then directed to the sent mailbox where we can see the email that we sent to reply to the email they sent to us. And as we can see, the text that we sent is now displayed here in the reply email. And so this has been my submission for CS50W's Project 3, and thank you for watching.